E kaunti ma Kisumu ne riwruoge mag ute lamo kata NCCK mabade ma Kisumu kotelnegi kod bende mano endo jadolo maduong' kata Archbishop Betty Onyango sani ndi koro owacho ni ber mar mondo mi koro telo ma piny Kenya kaendi orangane lwasi mar weche mag siasa yorendo mar kelo kwe nikech osebedo ka koro piny niendi nitie kod sigana mar tulo ma kinde ka kinde e seche ma koro yiero oromo. Bende kane gitwak ne giwacho ni sani ndi koro oganda jo Kenya kadhe matek ahinya kaluwore kod maneno ma bende en ngima masani koro oidho kendo nengo mag gik mitiyo godo oidho malo sidang'. Ne gikwayo piny owacho mar mondo mi koro ong'iyane kanyo maber mondo mi oduok piny kendo mbekne oganda weche mag ngima nikech ji mang'eny sani endi kadho e kinde matek ahinya.
We are calling for tolerance amongst all the political people who are vying for any elective post. Tolerate one another, and they should not mobilize our children, the youths, for their interest. Leave our children alone. Don't mobilize the youths for your political gain. And we are calling upon women. We are setting a date that we are actually going to kneel down for this country and for this city.
The Bible in Psalm 133, verse 1 to 3 and 3 declares, "How good and pleasant it is when brothers live together in unity. For there the Lord bestows his blessing, even life forevermore." The Bible nonetheless recognizes that it depends on the people themselves to decide to live in peace with each other. As a way of resolving the sharp divisions that we have faced, it is important that we initiate inter-clan and intergenerational dialogue aimed at promoting cohesion and peaceful coexistence.
So this time round, we are out to call upon all women and to call even the security. We don't want to see things that happened to baby Pendo to happen again. So we are strongly calling upon the security. If there will be need for this election, for them to maintain peace using tear gas and any other form that they see fit to bring peace, let them spell out the ever question.
Cost of living. It is unacceptable that the government of the day looks helpless even as the cost of basic commodities continues to exponentially rise. Over the past year, the cost of commodities such as LPG, petrol, cooking oil, bread, amongst others, and it has increased in some cases by 30%. Just yesterday, the EPRA gazetted an increase of retail price of petrol by Kenya shillings 5. Economists project that this will further negatively affect the pricing of commodities in the coming months. We therefore call upon Parliament and the National Executive to immediately institute measures that will not only lower but also stabilize prices of goods that the common citizens depend on.
You know,